Hi, I'm Shalini Pasi. You're watching me on Times Now.
Well, only on Times Now. Today with me, Vishakha Pandit. I have a very, very special guest. Shalini, firstly, welcome on Times Now.
Thank you, Vishakha.
I would say, Big Boss के सफ़र के साथ आप जुड़ी हैं, चाहे एक छोटा सा ही सफ़र जुड़ा, लेकिन how was the experience inside the house? Did you?
It was a very emotional, very beautiful experience. I did not realize that I'll bond with all the beautiful girls there. I
Okay.
really bonded with them. I actually started crying when I was leaving
Oh,
because there, they're going through so much. They've left their families. They've been away for like a month, 2 months, couple of weeks.
okay.
No communication. So, like just being with them, and I really wish that all their dreams come true. They become amazing actresses, and whatever they want in life, they should get. Because viewers, please give them so much love
Okay, one
that you're giving me. Give them.
Okay, one who is like, do you have a favorite? And two, you being such a positive soul, like we've always heard that Shalini is too positive in life. How was it entering the house and meeting all these contestants who already इतना घर से दूर हैं and पूरी लड़ाई झगड़ा every day it's like showdowns and fights. What was it like for you?
एक्चुअली उन्होंने कहा कि जब मैं आई थी उनको बहुत ही पीसफुल लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा
Oh,
मेरी
your aura
एनर्जी.
went inside with that.
सो उनको लगा कि एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी है, सो दे वांटेड टू नो अबाउट मी, दे वांटेड टू टॉक. कहीं उन्हें सीरीज़ नहीं देखा था, सो द अदर्स वर टेलिंग देम अबाउट द सीरीज़ जो फैबुलस लाइव्स वर्सेस बॉलीवुड वाइव्स. तो वो उसकी बात कर रहे थे. फिर
But do you have any favorite? Like, do you any particular
मेरे को
contestant जिसका game आप-
यामिनी बहुत अच्छे लगे, चाहत, सारा.
you like all these contestants the most?
हाँ,
Okay, अगर
एक्चुअली सब भी बहुत अच्छी थी.
if you had to, like, if you were given a chance to actually enter as a contestant, one, would you choose that? Do you think that Big Boss house is for you? And two, if you had to take somebody from the team of the Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives, तो वो कौन होते?
तो अगर मैं ज्वाइन करती तो मैं आई थिंक सीमा को ले सकती थी साथ में.
Would she be a competition for you, or do you think that you would have gelled the best with her?
I think I would have gelled the best with her.
And
And I would have had a good time with her.
And who from the Bollywood fraternity do you think कि अगर मैं इनको लेके जाऊँ then it's gonna be a good one for me?
I think either Meera Kapoor would be fun.
And who do you think will give you a tough competition if they enter with you?
Oh, who would give me a tough competition? I don't know.
But
I think all of them.
all of them.
I think if somebody decides to be competitive, they'll be
But
competitive.
have you been following, or have you seen Big Boss before this? Have you followed a previous season or something for that matter?
So actually, I don't watch television. So
Okay.
I thought it's better that I did not want to go with a preconceived notion in such a short period of time.
Correct.
So I wanted to go like as a fresh person, I wanted to go. I didn't want to go like जैसे आप कह रहे हैं लड़ाइयाँ ये सब.
Correct.
तो अगर मैं इस थॉट में जाती तो मैं शायद नहीं जाती. शायद मेरा आइडिया कुछ और होता. मैं बहुत ही हैप्पी एनर्जी से गई थी वहाँ पे.
Okay.
जो मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, पर मैं बहुत ही खुशी खुशी से गई थी. तो
Okay.
actually sometimes innocence is just bliss.
Correct.
Ignorance
is bliss.
Ignorance
Correct.
is bliss sometimes. So I think that helps me.
अच्छा
many
ये
times.
बताइए क्योंकि उमंग कुमार ने ना पूरे घर में he's put around paintings, his selective paintings as a house, and you yourself have been like an art collector.
किसकी पेंटिंग?
उमंग कुमार ने अपनी खुद की बनाई हुई कुछ पेंटिंग्स हैं 3-4 जो घर में लगाई
वो
हैं.
मैंने नहीं देखी.
हाँ
दिखाई
तो
नहीं
करेक्ट.
मुझे.
So and you yourself are an art collector. So if you had to choose a corner of the house where you would want to hang one of your collections for some time, वो कौन सा हिस्सा है जो आपका फेवरेट था घर का?
I think पूल के सामने एरिया बहुत सुंदर था वहाँ पे कहीं.
And if you had to change something,
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा बनाया. आई थिंक बट कारपेट में चेंज कर दूंगी.
something you would
funny
want to
funny
take,
चीजें हैं.
something you would want to take back home from the house,
The Trojan horse.
you want it in your house.
Yeah, Trojan horse is quite cool. The high thing is quite nice.
Lastly, because Big Boss एक ऐसा घर है जिसके साथ controversy बहुत जुड़ी रहती है, and with Shalini it's like there's no controversy. She's like a clean slate and very positive. So when you came out of the house, what was your takeaway from that one day inside the house?
So I felt very emotional leaving the house, though I just spent one day there. But I just I really wished from my heart that or whatever all their dreams should come true. All the contestants, and I wished them so much love, and even now मेरी दुआएं उनकी तरफ जा रही हैं.
Lastly, do we see you joining some acting project ahead, or your son doing some acting projects
Let's
ahead?
see, wait and watch. Lots of things are happening. You guys keep calling me to Bombay.
And we'll keep
me
giving
love.
you all the love.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Shalini, for
Thank
joining
you
me
for
on
having
Times Now.
me.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Good
Well, that
luck.
was
Thank
Shalini Pasi for you, and this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now.